In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam error code 118 quickly and easily. This is a common error that appears when Steam has trouble connecting to its servers, and it can stop you from opening the store, downloading games, or even logging in properly. The good news is that in most cases, this problem can be fixed in just a couple of minutes with a simple reset of Steam's configuration. I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can get Steam working again without reinstalling anything. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right into the solution. The first thing you want to do is completely close Steam. Make sure Steam is not running in the background. You can check this by looking at the system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen. If you see the Steam icon there, right-click it and choose Exit. This ensures the client is fully closed before we reset its configuration. Next, press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time. This will open the Windows Run dialog box. In the Run box, type the following command exactly as you see it: steam://flushconfig. So the full command is steam://flushconfig. After typing that in, press Enter on your keyboard. A small Steam prompt will appear asking if you want to reset the Steam configuration. Go ahead and click OK. What this does is clear certain local configuration files that may be causing connection issues or preventing Steam from communicating properly with its servers. This step does not uninstall your games, and it does not delete your account information, so you don't need to worry about losing anything. After clicking OK, the reset process will complete almost instantly. The next important step is to restart your computer. Restarting helps ensure that all Steam background services and network components reload properly after the configuration reset. Once your computer is restarted, open Steam again just like you normally would. You may be prompted to sign back into your account, which is completely normal after resetting the configuration. Simply enter your Steam username and password and log in. After logging in, try opening the Steam store or your library again. In most cases, Steam error code 118 should now be completely fixed, and the client should connect normally to the Steam servers. If you were seeing this error before when loading pages or accessing the store, those sections should now load without any issues. And that's it. That's how you fix Steam error code 118 using a quick Steam configuration reset. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and software fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.